Hello my phonics superheroes and my reading superstars. Welcome to day 15 of my Phonics Boost. Day 15, that is amazing. Well done for all of your hard work so far, but we've still got some new words to be learning and a lot more sounds to be exploring. So get your phonics brain switched on, your superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. Now, I know you're getting good at our focus sounds now, so I'm not going to say them, just you. You ready? Do you think you can do it quicker? Do you think you can go even quicker? Oh, that was very fast. Well done. What about these sounds? Can you remember these ones? Do you think you can do them quicker? Excellent. What about if I put them all together? Can you remember all of them? Amazing. Well done. Now, what about these ones? Very quick. Are you ready? Excellent, well done. Now the sound that we are going to be focusing on today is Now the sound is a short sound. Let's practice. Excellent. Now you've practiced saying the sound, let's find some objects that start with the sound. Right, my phonics superstars. Inside my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Do you think you can do that? Right, do we think anything's actually going to be in my magic box today? Let's have a look. Nope, empty. I think we need some phonics magic. Can you remember our spell? We say hocus pocus phonics focus. Right, I want to hear you saying it with me. Hocus pocus phonics focus. Let's see if it worked. Yes. Right, remember, yes if it starts with the sound, no if it doesn't. Umbrella. Yes. Orange. No. Underwear? Yes. Not sure what that's doing in there. Bear? No. Oh, what's this one? I know. Up. Does up start with the sound? Yes. Right, I'm going to put everything back inside my magic box and then I'm going to pull them out nice and quickly and I want you to tell me if it starts with the sound or if it doesn't. Do you think you can do that? Are we ready? Oh, excellent. Well done. Now we're going to be focusing on those superhero listening skills and practicing our oral blending. Right, let's make sure your superhero listening ears are turned on. And with our oral blending, I sound out the word and I want to hear you say it. B-A-G. Bug. H-A-T. Hut. Up. Up. Excellent. Now we're going to move on to reading some words that use the sound. Right, my reading superstars. When we read our new words, I'll sound them out first and then it's your turn. B-U-G. Bug. Your turn. Bug. H-U-T. Hut. Your turn. Hut. Up. Up. Your turn. Up. Excellent. Now we've done them once, it's just going to be you. Bug. Hut. Up. Excellent. Now are you ready for a challenge word? Our challenge word today is upset. My turn first. Upset. Upset. Your turn. Upset. Excellent. Your turn again. Upset. Well done. Now we're going to rewind and look at some words that we were doing over the last couple of days. And our first word, just you sounding this one out. Bat. Well done. Bun. Excellent. Now this word we've looked at a couple of times. Do you think you can just read it? Are you ready? Leg. Well done. Your turn to sound it out. Leg. Excellent. Now time for our tricky words. And our new tricky word today is R. 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 Excellent. Let's see if you can remember the tricky words we've looked at over the last couple of days. B. My. Oh, excellent. Right, I'm going to go over them just in case you don't know them yet. B. My. Oh. Excellent. Right, let's put our new one in. Can we remember it? R. Right, off we go. B. My. All. R. Well done. There are a lot of words there. Well, my phonics superheroes and my reading superstars, we are nearly at the end of day 15. But before we're finished, we're going to go through our focus sounds and play our little game. Now, I know you know them, so I'm not going to say them. Do you think you can do it faster? I know you can. I think you can do it even faster. Are you ready? Whew, that was super speedy. Right, now I'm going to play our little game and I'm going to take some away. Are we ready? Off we go. Which one was missing? Excellent, it was K. Let's see which one's going to go now. Are we ready? Which one was missing? Ah, excellent. And which one are we going to take away now? I think. Are we ready? Which one was missing? B. Well done. And that's it. Day 15 completed. Well done you for coming this far. I am so proud of you and I hope you're feeling proud of yourself and seeing that boost with your phonics skills. Now give yourselves a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done me. And I'll see you for day 16. Goodbye.